If you lose hearing either suddenly or over time, you're having trouble making out details of conversations. Sounds will become muffled and gradually fade. You might also have ringing in your ears, also called tinnitus, or some call it tinnitus, pain, pressure, or fullness in one or both ears, dizziness or vertigo. Frequently, the first sign of hearing loss that a person or their loved ones notice is asking people to repeat what they say more often than they used to. If you find yourself uncomfortable and struggling in large crowds or family gatherings, call Here Again and set an appointment for a free simple hearing test. We will be able to get your results the same day. And the exam is free. Call or come in and see us at Here Again today.
Here again so you can understand again.